Friends, in this lecture we'll learn about autofill fill series and certain formatting with the help of autofill and fill series. You see this these are four color 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are different color. I want to have the same formatting as in above or below cells. What I can do is I can select cell number 7, click on format painter and format this. Similarly select on cell 8, format painter and format this. Now the formatting are same, but it is too tedious and long process. I can shorten it. Let me try it again. Control Z. What I'll do is I'll select the two cells like above this and I drag it down, and as I drag it down, on right hand side here a symbol of autofill options come up. I can click on this option and it says fill formatting only. I click on this fill formatting and see the formatting are same and the color codes are gone, whereas the value remains intact 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll show it again how to do it. Select the two cells above it, and drag and copy. When you drag and copy, the value changes, but I want the old value and I want to change the formatting. So I'll go here, autofill options, and click on this and fill formatting only, and it gives me the formatting only. I'll try it again in another option. I'll insert a row by right clicking on the top of the column name A and insert it. Then I write down here serial number, and I want to create a serial number like 1 and 2. Then I type 1 and 2 and select 1 and 2 and I drag it down. Now the serial numbers are created. Now I select the adjacent column and copy this column to the left, drag it to the left, and on here I'll fill formatting only. Right, in this way I can create the data with the formatting. Similarly, on right hand side, you see Monday is there. If I drag it down, it will convert it like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But in the autofill options, I can have fill weekdays only. So it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Saturday, Sundays are weekends, so they are removed. But if I again want it back, I can have fill days, and we can have Saturday, Sundays. Another option here is, it says fill without formatting. It can fill without formatting also, or it can fill with fill formatting only, and data will be removed and only formatting will be there. Like in Monday, whatever the formatting is there, it will be that formatting only, like we have tried in the previous one. Similarly, if I try down this first and drag it down, it will do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 th, and it is a auto fill custom list, we call it. It is already stored in the system. It creates a series by itself, and you can check it here also: fill formatting, fill and other cells. Flash fill is something we are going to do in the next chapter. Quarter 1, if I drag it down, it turns out to be quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a custom list. Similarly, quarter 1 again is quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4 is our custom list. Now let us see again fill series. There is an option called fill down. If I select all of this and press Ctrl D, it will fill down. If I select this, all of this, I can have Ctrl D for fill down and Ctrl R for fill right. Now another thing, I select these two to create a serial number, but this time I'll drag it down with a right click. I'll drag it down like this with a right click, and when I leave the right click, options comes up here. I want to fill series, I want to fill formatting, I fill without formatting, I want to copy the cells. What I'll do it, I want to fill series, I'll click on it, the series is there, Control Z. I'll do other options also. I'll again do it, drag it down and try out copy cells. Then it will be only 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again a new option is, I'll have and drag it, and on the right click it shows linear trend. Linear trend means the numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whereas the growth trend will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Exponential growth is there. Let us see. If we click it, now the exponential numbers are there. Every number is multiplied by the number in a previous cell. Similarly, if I want to drag out date with a right click, Now options are there. What I want to fill days, I want to fill weekdays, I want to fill months, or I want to fill years. If I fill days, it is a sequential, all dates are coming 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10th January. If I press Ctrl Z, I'll do it again and try it out again. I have to do it, remember, not with the left click but with the right click of the mouse, and I say fill months. It will be a gap of January, February, March, April, May, June, and like this. Similarly, a 3 is there. Let me drag it till bottom and select all this and use an option here on the right hand side, fill down, fill series and all. So there is an option called series. Let me click on the series. I'll click on the series and I want to have step value 1, and I'll leave the end value and I'll type it linear, and I said okay. I'll have a series from 3 here.